National Citizen Party NCP leader Hasnat Abdullah has upped his anti-India rhetoric, threatening to isolate the Seven Sisters and providing refuge to northeast separatists if Bangladesh is destabilized. Abdullah made the remarks while addressing a gathering at Dhaka's central Shahid Minar. He asserted that Bangladesh will shelter separatist and anti-India forces if India tries to destabilize Bangladesh. He warned that if India shelters forces who do not respect Bangladesh's sovereignty, potential, voting rights and human rights, Bangladesh will respond. Abdullah also maintained that Bangladesh is still facing attempts by vultures to exert control over the country even after 54 years of independence, he said, without explicitly naming New Delhi for its alleged interference in Dhaka's affairs. It is worth mentioning that Bangladesh has been accused of hosting various militant and separatist groups operating in the northeast, including those Islamist extremist networks with links to India. The situation changed significantly after Sheikh Hasina returned to power in 2009 when Dhaka launched a sustained crackdown on insurgent groups targeting India.